Let me go see what these niggas is talking about. What the fuck is this? Now, chat. What the fuck is this right here, bro? It's a static. What the fuck is this? But it's good.
All right, chat. I'm gonna go to the gym, bro. I don't even know what's going on. All right, I'm gonna see y'all boys, bro. I tried to set up a tourney. I don't know. I'm gonna see y'all boys tomorrow. All right, bro. Peace out. Have a good ass night. Love y'all.